Hi, I'm Ariana with Current Energy. Current Energy specializes in building solar energy systems exclusively for commercial property owners. I'm here at one of our projects that was finished in 2021. This is a 100,000 square foot building located in Chatsworth, California. This solar energy system includes 3,000 self-cleaning solar panels on the roof, 2 brand new carports with an additional 324 panels, and 8 car charging stations. Before building this system, we installed a brand new roof with a 20-year warranty. The system produces 1.9 megawatts of power per year. This entire project, including monitoring, maintenance, warranting, and insuring the system for 20 years, was done at no cost to the building owner. It sounds too good to be true. So how is it possible? Well, after doing an in-depth analysis of the building owner's financial and energy needs, Current Energy offered to lease his rooftop under a long-term contract and recommend that he take advantage of the Los Angeles Feed-in Tariff program, which pays one of the highest rates for solar energy in the country. What is Feed-in Tariff? Glad you asked. Feed-in tariff programs send all the power generated from the building's rooftop or carport directly to the local utility company at a guaranteed high rate under a long-term contract, usually lasting 20 years. The building owner receives metered power in the normal way from the utility at the prevailing rate. This project is a win-win for all 3 participants. On top of the free roof, free carports, and free car chargers worth up to $500,000, the building owner also receives a monthly lease payment guaranteed for 20 years. The developer, Current Energy, receives guaranteed revenue sharing and tax benefits. LADWP receives all the clean energy generated from the system into their grid and gets closer to achieving their clean energy goals.
The Current Energy, I'm really very happy with this company because Patrick, he's representing the company, and he came by, he's very helpful. And also David Bell, he's their very knowledgeable engineer of the company. They're very reliable people, reliable company. Basically, they did what they said. You know, it was no interruption in the business. It was no interruption in the traffic or the tenants. You know, they started the day they promised, and they complete the project the day they promised.
Give Current Energy a call today, and we will help you take advantage of tax incentives that can generate huge discounts on solar systems, reduce your reliance on the grid, protecting you from rising energy costs, increase your property's value by making it more attractive to potential buyers or tenants, and finally, leverage solar energy to promote your commitment to the environment, which can also improve your brand. We look forward to hearing from you soon, and thank you for watching this video.